Hey, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Here's how to check your Stanley Pro safety beams in under a minute. Start by coming over to the door jamb and pulling out the first beam. This one right here is your transmitter, identified by the gray wire. Take a quick look at the indicator light. If you see a green LED illuminated, that tells you the transmitter is working properly. Next, head over to the opposite side of the opening and pull out the second beam. This is your receiver, identified by the blue wire. You'll want to see the orange LED illuminated, which confirms the beams are aligned and communicating correctly. If either one of these LEDs is not on, or both are out, you're likely dealing with a failed beam set, and it's time for replacement. At Automatic Door and Hardware, we stock replacement safety beams and automatic door parts for Stanley operators and other major brands. Whether you're troubleshooting a door that won't cycle or addressing a safety issue, having the right components makes all the difference. Visit automaticdoorandhardware.com for replacement parts and more professional tech tips like this. This is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware, keeping automatic doors safe, compliant, and operating the way they should.